Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you how to get rainbow crops and grow a garden to game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Rainbow crops are one of the rarest and most valuable crop types in the game. You can't just get them from normal farming. You'll need a little luck and the right event. The main way to get rainbow crops is during the rainbow moon event. When the event begins, keep an eye out for rainbow seeds that appear on the map. As soon as you see one, collect it as quickly as you can. Once you've collected a rainbow seed, go back to your garden and plant it. After it finishes growing, you will harvest a rainbow crop, which is worth much more than a regular crop. To increase your chances of getting more rainbow crops, stay active during the rainbow moon event and explore the map as soon as the event starts. The faster you find rainbow seeds, the more rainbow crops you will be able to grow. And I've already collected one rainbow seed guys, so I'm gonna plant it in my garden. I'm going to open up my inventory guys, and let's start planting the seed. Wait, I'm gonna go to this inventory, and okay, this is the rainbow seed, and I'm going to plant it. Okay, and let's see what we get. Oh, I got cactus. The crop will be random guys. It can be cactus, bamboo, or anything. Okay guys, and that's how we can get rainbow crops in Groovy Garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!